I'm your host Vedant, and today I'm going to tell you that how you can make the introduction of character in filmora9, as you saw at the starting of this video. So without wasting your time, I'm going to go into filmora9, which I opened here. I'm going to click here and add a video which I want. I'm just going to place it on the timeline. I'll zoom to fit. Okay, this button with this button here. Okay, click this button so it will become this big. Now choose a frame of your desire, but before that, for me, I'll just trim it like, I guess, here somewhere. I will trim it here because my video is too long, so no need for you. Okay, so choose a nice frame which you want. Like, I want this guy like this. Now I'll click this. Now keep this frame like this, the rest of the video pretty far, and now click this camera button here to take the snapshot of this. I have a snapshot here. Let it load fully. Okay, and now I'm going to add it here. What happened? Okay, so no need of this snapshot if it's not working. Just delete this snapshot. Okay, I already took a snapshot from there. So I'm not going to waste my time. And I'm just gonna go to Wondershare Filmora and snapshot. Okay, and snapshot 8. So this is my snapshot. I will come here, I will bring it here, right click on it, go to duration. It's 5, I'll make it 3. Okay, so it's 3 now. Now you can join this here. Okay, now what we have to do is take 7 frames from the starting and 7 frames from the ending with the help of this button and this button. So first, keep the playhead at this place between the first video and the snapshot starting, and click this 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So this is 7 frames. Now cut this timeline here. Now same from this side with the backward left button. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Cut here. So it's done. Now what I'm going to do is right click on this first part of these 3 parts and go to crop and zoom and go to pan and zoom. Now make it a little big and keep it here. Now let's see how it will look. It will look like this, and done. This done, this job done. Now what you have to do with this second part of the snapshot is right click, go to crop and zoom again, and in this crop part only, just crop it a little bit. Okay, this is enough, I guess. Let's check if it is enough. At this point, I'll stop it. And here, this person will get here. Let's crop it a little bit more. See if we can, if this is fine. Let's see if this is fine. Yes, this is perfect. Perfect. Now, sorry. Now for this third part, right click, go to crop and zoom, go to pan and zoom, and I guess we have to change this here. And you want to increase this like we did for the first one. And now we'll keep it here so that it will come like it went there, it came back. So like this. Okay, so click on OK, and now it's time to change this thing. So the work is to be done in the middle one. So now double click on the second part, then go to this, or I think color one. Yes, color. I think I am making it long, so I will do fast. Okay, BNW film means black and white, and like this it will become. Now, sorry, I came back. Now go to motion, and you have to do is nothing. I think I did something wrong. Okay, so never mind. Now go to the titles part and take a default title, and it's a default one. Okay, you can choose a stylish one, but we'll change it after that. So no need to take a stylish one. Okay. Now double tap on this and go to advanced. This is our advanced one, and now I am going to change this. Let's give it a name. I'll give his name as Surinder. I will call him Surinder. Surinder. He's Surinder. I think if I will write E in place of I, like Surinder in English, who will read it will say surrender. What? Why? Okay. So now I'll change it. Surinder is a Hindi name. Okay. Indian name Surinder. And for those people who are not from India, I told this. Now choose impact. You can choose anything, but I'm choosing impact. Fonts and font impact. Okay, now I'll keep it beside Surinder. Okay, Surinder beside Surinder. Font size, let's take as 125 or something. 125. Yes, it's perfect. Surinder is here. Okay, Surinder. Okay, now I'll enable text border, and I don't want it to be this at all. I want it to be black. So here is Surinder. Now go to animation and choose anything which you like. I like this move to right one. Okay, so let's decide the area we want the animation to be. Let's check how it look. Oh my god, no, not at all, not at all. This text became very big. Surinder. I like his name a lot. Okay, so let's check this out. Yes, this is best. This one is the best one. Now I will click on, wait, let's check this one. What? Why? What's happening? What's wrong? Let's do it from starting and double click it again. Okay, so let's check it out now. Okay, now it's fine. And click on OK. So it's Surinder now. Click on OK. I hope it changed here. Okay, now it's Surinder here. And now I think we're done with our work. Let's watch it. Okay. Surinder. And now he went off. Okay, so don't forget to save your project. Okay. And now I'm going first. Let me save it, otherwise this work will go. I will name it Surinder only. So funny name. No, there are many names. There are many Surinders in India. There are many Surinders in India. Okay, now I will get a new project now. Yeah. 16:9 widescreen ratio. Now I'm going to tell you the other style which I said. I know it's taking a long time. Okay, now for this I'm going to use one more thing, this ink splash. I'm going to leave this link in the description if you want to download the same one, or you can just go to Google and check. Okay, splash ink effects. You can check for splash ink effects. Okay, now we have to do the same thing. Okay, sorry. Now I'm going to bring only this thing here. Okay, zoom to fit the timeline now. Okay, first it's not that same. Okay, now I like this frame. I will delete this front part. I'll take the snapshot. Okay, I took the snapshot. I guess it should come here, but if it's not coming, then also okay. Okay, now I don't need this video. Now we have to remove its background. For that, I will tell you a website. Okay, so this is remove bg. This website name is remove bg. Okay, now first you need to sign up here. Okay, I'll continue with my Google account, but now it will ask me which account do I want. I'll take my own account. Okay, welcome. Okay, no, I don't want to create a new account. So what should I do now? Let's create it. What's happening? Okay. Okay, leave it. Nothing happens. I'll just, without signing in also, I can do that. But to tell you people, I did that signing up. Okay. Actually, oh my god, sorry. I just clicked on login. You have to go and click this button and go to sign up, but no, nothing happens. Okay, so I'm going to go to that projects. Okay, I'm going to go to Wondershare Filmora and now snapshot, and this snapshot 10, I guess. Yes, this is snapshot 10. Okay, so this is my uploading. It's getting uploaded. It's gonna take time. Okay, now it will remove the background also. Okay, now I'll download it. Okay, it will be some quality difference, but believe me, it's nice. Okay, I tried it. You can see everything's white. Okay, so we need that only. If you want to make it black, you can make that also. Okay, now I am going to import import that. Okay, so it's got imported. Now I'll get this here, but before that I will get this ink here. Okay, I got this ink. Now I'm going to go to titles. I'll choose a default title. Double tap here, I will go to advanced titles. First I will enable the text borders to black, and then I will go up. Okay, and now here I will type it. What should I type? Surinder. Yes, I forgot his name. Surinder. His name is Surinder. Okay, impact. I will choose impact. You can choose anything. Oh, where's impact? Guys, find impact. Yes, I got it. Impact 125. Surinder should also be somewhere here. He will come soon. Surinder is going to come soon. Okay, animation. I'm going to take this animation. Okay. Click on OK, and now I'm going to add Surinder. So where are you, Surinder? Surinder is here. So now I'm gonna keep Surinder here. Let me make Surinder a little bit big because he's looking a lot small in this. You know, he's looking small here. So he's Surinder. Now I guess it should work right. Okay, so let's check it. Okay, now I'll check it. Yes, it's working. It's working. Now you can provide a nice rocky you can provide a background audio to this. So if you like this video, leave a like and subscribe. Consider subscribing and click a bell icon so that I can so that you can know our new videos come. Till then, bye bye.